I'm in a 2010 Ford F-150, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So first, turn the vehicle off, and then we're going to look for this dipstick over here. So we'll pull the dipstick all the way out, and then typically you wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel, and then stick it all the way back in. Getting away from me. There we go. And then pull it all the way back out. And then towards the end here, we'll check. You should see, if I can get the camera on it, like a dot on the left and a dot on the right. The dot towards the left is your full mark, and that dot towards the end is your low mark. So you want it to be pretty close, if not on that dot on the left. Let's say you are low. Just stick this all the way back in. And then with the vehicle still off. Alright, once it's all the way in, then we'll go back to this other side of the motor. This would be where you add your oil to. Double check you're using the proper type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand of oil you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But you just unscrew this cap, and either with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, fill with your new oil as needed. Try not to overfill as well, because that could cause you issues. And then screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. At that point, I'd start the vehicle for like 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil through the motor, turn it off, and then I'd repeat the process we did in the very beginning with that dipstick of pulling it out, checking, wiping it clean, and then sticking it back in, and then pulling it again to see our new level, if it's towards the full or not. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in replacement of your regular oil changes, which typically you do by putting a vehicle on a slight lift so you can get underneath to the oil pan, pull the oil plug, drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw that plug back in nice and tight, and then from here again, add all the oil recommended for your particular motor for an oil change. Screw this on nice and tight, start the motor again for 5 seconds so to circulate the new oil, turn it off, and then the same process again in the beginning that we use for that dipstick to make sure you're full. But all that said, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.